So this is the VW Golf R32, which I recently bought from Copart with passenger side damage. So if you haven't watched my previous video where I've removed front wing and the doors, before I removed wing and the doors, I thought the only issue will be this rear quarter panel, but after I removed the doors, I've noticed that this A panel has been pushed in around 40 mil inside the car. So I wasn't sure if I will be able to get it fixed. So it took me a few weeks to figure it out what to do with the car. I was thinking about just to sell it as it is, or just break it for parts, because I've contacted like a few garages and no one was interested in repairing this Golf. So I decided to do it myself, and what I've found is this set of tools. So what it is, it's hydraulic pump with external bits, which people usually use for, I believe, damaged cars. And as an additional part, I bought this. It's a 10-ton pull-back ram. So what it is, you're connecting that hydraulic pump to this bit here, and that pushes inside. So if you connect this side to one bit and this side to the other bit, and when you pump in that hydraulic pump, that chute goes in. So I've got here a Range Rover with a tow bar, and I move that R32 in front of it, and I will try to get these bits connected. I also bought this little clamp, which will help me to connect it to the door hinges, which I will install in a minute. Obviously, that's the top hinges, that's the bottom one, and you got the old ones here. And the plan for today is to try to connect that tool to bottom hinge and then to the top hinge, and maybe somehow I will try to get the throat to like the middle of it, and hopefully I'll be able to pull this A panel out enough to be able to fit the doors, and maybe later on I could just cut this outside panel and weld the new one in, as long as the frame is straight. So yeah, let's crack on. So I have fitted the new door. The door sits where it should be. Ignore this rear quarter panel for now, as the real issue is here with this A panel. As you can see, that's about 35-40 mil difference from where this panel should be. That's the top hinge, and that's the bottom one. That's literally how much this whole panel has been pushed in. Right, so I finally connected it to the car. That's connected to the tow bar, and that's connected to the A panel. At the moment I got it here in the middle. I've put it the bit for you put it in the toe eye, and they got this sling across. I couldn't connect it to the hinges. I'll try to figure it out something else later on, but for now let's try to pull this out how it is. I don't know how good it will be, but I will try to get this pump running. As you can see, I'm pumping it here, and this one there is already pulling. Okay, we'll finally get the tension. You can hear it. That is all. So I'm not giving up. I've decided to put that extension bar through the whole car. It goes across the middle, and as you can see over there, it's pushing against a panel on the driver's side. So I would try to use this pump now, and hopefully we'll get this panel pushed that way, and let's hope that this panel won't push the other side. So I removed that wood as it just keeps breaking. It looks like it's slightly pushing it outwards, but the thing is, it's only doing the bottom part. Obviously the middle and the top, it's not gonna move, and that's the only way I can get it through the whole car. So we'll keep pumping to see how much it will push it out, and then maybe try to lift it up a little bit higher. So I made a little progress with this A panel. The bottom hinges is pretty much there, so it needs a bit of pull, and the top one, I'd say it's like 20 mil, so it was like 40 before, so I pulled it out quite a bit, but still not there yet. Right, so I've got my tool connected to the tow bar and to the bottom hinge. As you can see, I'm going to use the flame gun. I'm going to heat up the area where the bottom hinge is, and hopefully I can get it slightly out. Tow eye, put it at the back to pull the whole thing out. But now, obviously, this panel has got 3 layers, so now I'm using this tool for the brake piston, and put it through this hole, and done that thread bit at the back. I don't know if you can see it properly, and using this little bit like a washer, and now I'm trying to pull this bit out. See that if that will do anything. Else, obviously you can see it from this side, it's pushed in quite a bit. So now I'm going to pump it up and see if it makes any difference. This coming out, I just don't want to pull it too much. As you can see, that bit in the middle might be pulled out too much. Yeah, obviously this bit here needs to be pulled out. I'm not sure how to do it, to be honest. So I've put the door back on, and the lower brackets is where it should be. I put it both, one there and one from the inside, and the doors are opening, but the top hinges, there's still little gap. So I've managed to connect the top hinges as well. I had to put one washer on the top bolt and 2 little washers on the bottom one. The bottom hinge is fine. So yeah, at the moment they're opening and closing, but they are a little bit down, so they're a little bit scratching on the bottom. What I have to do, I need to get like little spacer between the top hinge and the frame. I've got here the old hinge, so I probably need to cut it off and make it as a spacer, and then put it on and get the door level up. It should be fine, and can stay like that for time being. But I will have to get this thing, obviously the A panel We'll have to cut it off completely, get the new one, weld it on to make it perfect. So what I've got left, I need to put the wheel arch back on, front wing. I need to replace the front axle wishbone on this side, but I'm gonna do the both sides. And yeah, probably I got new wheels to fit on, and then take it for the first test drive. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know what you think. I know this isn't the perfect just yet, but I'm fully aware of that. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.